Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Today we are going to learn how to make these delicious motichur laddus in a very simple, easy and unique way. So let's get into this video. For this, here in a bowl I have taken 2 cups of split chickpeas, which is also known as chana dal. So you can use this measuring cup as well. So after washing this chickpeas twice, we are going to soak this for 1.5 hours. It's been 1.5 hours now. Here I have taken a small mixie jar. I am going to grind this chickpeas without adding any water. So you need to grind this into a thick paste. So suppose the chickpeas doesn't grind, you can sprinkle a little bit of water, very little, not more than that, and you need to grind this into a thick paste. After grinding, transfer it to a bowl. So these are both of my batches that I have grinded separately. So after transferring, just combine it lightly. And this mixture is ready to fry. We are going to fry this like a fritter. Yes, you heard it right. There is no need of any strainer or anything. So here in a saucepan I have poured clarified butter, that is ghee. So once the ghee heats up, we are going to fry our fritters. So just take small portion, flatten it in your hands and directly add it to the hot ghee and fry each side for 1 minute on medium flame. You don't need a brown cover on this fritters, just lightly golden brown. So just fry for 1 minute on each side on medium flame. So always use clarified butter for motichur laddus because this will taste very delicious. So once both the sides are fried evenly, we are going to transfer this directly to a bowl. So do not add any tissue paper on a bowl. Just transfer it directly because tissue paper will absorb the clarified butter. So similarly, I am going to fry rest of my batches. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. This will give you notification of all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. So similarly, after frying all these batches, I am going to fry dry fruits. So dry fruits give a very unique flavor to our laddus. So this is a very essential part for the laddus. So here I am adding a handful of split cashew nuts. I am going to lightly fry these until they turn golden brown. So once they turn golden brown, I am going to keep this on side. So dry fruits are optional, but this gives a very rich flavor to our motichur laddus. So definitely add dry fruits to your laddus. So after frying cashew nuts, I am going to add golden raisins. So we are going to fry this until they swell up like a balloon type. So once they swell up, I am going to transfer this to a bowl. So now we are going to keep these dry fruits on side. So you can see this fritter looks perfect, soft from the inside and lightly crisp on the outside. So I am going to make this into a fine powder in a big mixie jar. So after grinding into a fine powder, I am transferring it into a bowl. Make sure there are no lumps in this powder. Just double check it, run your hands through the powder and see if there are any lumps. Remove those lumps and grind it again until you get the fine powder. So similarly, I am going to grind all other pieces. And if you want, you can even sieve this powder. So our powder is ready. I am going to keep this on side and we are going to make our sugar syrup. So sugar syrup is a very essential part of our laddus. So here I am adding 2 cups of granulated sugar. To this I am adding 1 cup of water. You need to combine this well. Keep stirring this mixture and bring this to a one string consistency. So now you can see the one string. Immediately I am going to add 3 drops of orange food gel color. So if you don't have gel color, it's completely fine. You can add half teaspoon of orange food color, which is in powder form. I'm going to combine this well and we are going to switch off the flame. So once switched off, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is also known as elaichi powder. You need to combine this well. And now without wasting any much time, you should immediately add the powder mixture to this sugar syrup, or the sugar will start to crystallize. So add the powder sugar while the sugar syrup is hot. Now combine this very well. So first combine using a spoon or a spatula something. Don't directly dig your hands in because the mixture is very hot. So once the mixture is combined, we are going to add a fried dry fruits to it. And now combine this well. Now to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, which we had used to fry the fritters. So use the same butter, don't waste it. So you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons and then combine it well, and immediately we are going to make our laddus. So you need to make this immediately while the mixture is hot. Start making equal size laddus. I find this recipe very easy and very simple. This method better than the strainer method, and this is very unique way, and just try once and you will understand what I am trying to say. You will just love this recipe. So definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. So similarly, I have made all the motichur laddus and our laddus are ready. Do try these recipe this Diwali and give your feedback on the comment section below. The joy of making homemade sweets is like a different kind of level. The happiness is of different level. So definitely try this recipe. You can see how perfect these laddus are looking. Enjoy your Diwali and thank you for watching.